everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to make dal khichdi. This is a very simple and delicious preparation and also a comfort food. So let's begin. So here we've taken 1 cup, that is 200 grams of raw rice, and the same quantity, that is 1 cup or 200 grams of tuvar dal or pigeon peas. 2 big green chilies, we've taken the less spicy ones and broken them. 1 tablespoon curry leaves, 1 red chili, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 16 grams of garlic pods which have been peeled and roughly chopped, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera, whole dry garam masala spices, that is 4 peppercorns, 2 cardamoms, 2 cloves, 1 cinnamon and 1 bay leaf, 3 tablespoons of ghee. So here we have taken raw rice and the dal together, and let's wash and rinse them well in order to get rid of any impurities, and then we'll drain the water in a colander. Now let's set aside the rice and dal and allow them to dry. So in the meanwhile, let's heat some ghee in a pressure cooker. Once the ghee is nice and hot, we'll add the red chilies. After 30 seconds, we'll add the green chilies and curry leaves. Next, let's add the rice and dal which have been washed and drained. Add some turmeric powder and mix well. Now we'll add the ginger garlic paste. This gives a very good flavor to the khichdi. Mix it well. So here we've boiled 8 cups of water, and we are going to add the hot water to the khichdi. So for 1 cup rice and 1 cup dal, we've taken 8 cups of water. Add salt to taste. Now close the pressure cooker, put the weight on, and allow it to cook on a medium flame up to 2 whistles. 2 whistles have sounded. Let's switch off the flame. Now once the pressure has subsided, let's open the cooker. Wow, the khichdi looks really yummy. Let's add some ghee and mix again. Now in another little skillet, we've heated some ghee. Once the ghee is hot, we'll add some cumin seeds or jeera. In it goes. Allow it to splutter. So the jeera has spluttered. Now we'll add the chopped garlic. Allow it to cook for a bit. And now we'll add the whole garam masala spices. Now add some hing or asafoetida and some red chili powder. This gives a very nice color to the tempering. Now we'll pour this tempering all over the khichdi. And give the khichdi a good mix. Our khichdi is all ready. Let's take it out on a serving plate. That really looks yummy. And today we are going to serve it with pickle and some lauki bharta. You can check the recipe of lauki bharta in our channel. And some papad. There, have a bite of our khichdi. And if you like this video, do not forget to like and share. And please do try this dal khichdi and give us a feedback. Take care. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.